Sitting in Delhi feels like being a part of chaotic symphony where each instrument is out of tune. And we just keep moving from point A to point B as long as point A is not Dwarka flyover and point B is, well, just anywhere. But what if things could be different? We, Jatayu Team B, are dreaming of a city where mobility is seamless, efficient and sustainable. Let's dive into how we envision to achieve this.
The solution starts with leveraging data-driven insights. We are basically optimizing traffic speeds and historical patterns to develop predictive models that optimize urban mobility.
But how does this data help, especially on a busy day?
Great questions. We are basically optimizing timing for the red light. By using the tools like TomTom Traffic API, we track real-time data such as traffic speed and congestion hotspots. Let me show you. Look here. We are basically optimizing the traffic areas for high-speed areas such as Connaught Place, NSG crossings, and Dwarka flyover. Combining historical patterns and predictive analysis, we can optimize the signal timing to reduce traffic jams.
Well, exactly.
वैसे दत्ता नीचे आके बोलेगा क्या?
Well, it's not just about traffic lights. We also need accurate data. We are collecting this data from sources which are open source as well as other sources. Open Route Service and Google Maps have helped us to collect accurate data which enables the models to predict the C-score of that region. The C-score is a score we are assigning to the particular region based on its congestion.
Imagine a citizen-friendly dashboard that keeps you informed, real-time traffic updates on the intersections. And when emergencies strike, our system, Saver, detects accidents or ambulances and clears the way with dynamic signal adjustments.
By promoting smoother traffic flow and better compliance, our system improves parking efficiency and integrates seamlessly with smart parking management. Scalable across Delhi and adaptable nationwide, it is also cost-effective as it integrates to existing traffic cameras.
Tech-driven approach, we aim to create a solution that optimizes traffic light in real time and enhances the user experience. Together, we can create a greener and smarter Delhi, not for just today, but for the generations to come. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. That was our team's vision, Jatayu Team B.